Alright, let's talk about Anthropic, one of the hottest players in the AI arms race. You might have heard of them as the brains behind Claude, an AI model that's been making serious waves lately. But now, they're in the headlines for a very different reason. Reddit just slapped them with a lawsuit. So, what's going on? Anthropic, founded by ex-OpenAI folks, built its rep on making AI that's not just smart but safe and reliable. Their Claude 3 models, Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku, are known for their reasoning chops and even beat out GPT-4 in some tasks. We're talking advanced math, code, and for the first time, it can even analyze images and charts. Pretty cool, right? But here's the catch. Reddit claims Anthropic scraped millions of posts to feed Claude's training without asking for permission. That's a big deal, especially since companies like Google and OpenAI actually paid Reddit for this kind of data. Reddit says it's about fair play and not just copyright. Anthropic says, hey, our methods are legal. This isn't their only fight either. Music publishers are after them about song lyrics. Despite the drama, Anthropic is pushing hard on AI safety, especially during elections. They banned political campaigning, cracked down on misinformation, and ran daily tests to keep things clean during the 2024 election. Bottom line, Anthropic is at the center of AI innovation and controversy. The lawsuit could shape how AI companies get the data that makes these tools so powerful. I'll be watching to see who wins this data tug of war.